Namaskar, how are you? I am good. Today my class is class standard 4, subject SST, chapter the Northern Mountain Wall. Yesterday I discussed about the Northern Mountain Wall. Today this is the last episode from Northern Mountain Wall. Some in the related of the Northern Mountain Wall, the range of Himalaya connected with the Jammu Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and the northeasterns. Today I discuss many states from there about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is the one state in India. There are 29 states in India. In 29 states, Jammu Kashmir, now Union Territories, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the cold places. In 12 months, there have 10 or 11 months are very cold. Snow fall down. Snow fall downs in 10 or 11 months. There have very beautiful lake, rivers, and tourist spots. Many tourists wanted to go there for their health, for their good health. And the Mughal emperor said Jammu Kashmir is a state who tell in our Jammu Kashmir is a paradise of art, because the land high level from India, Jammu Kashmir situated is the high level than any other state in India. In this region, Jammu Kashmir is a paradise of art. Jammu Kashmir capital is Srinagar. It is there in summer, and Jammu is winter. In winter season, Jammu Kashmir, the capital is Jammu. The Dal and Nagin lakes in Srinagar are famous for their houseboat. In the lake, there have a houseboat. Houseboat means a house on the boat. This is called a houseboat. Many people live on a houseboat. And for the tourists, they build a hotel, because many of the states tourists come there and they stay in a hotel for the tourists. Famous pilgrimage center like the Vishnu Devi temple, not only tourist place in Jammu Kashmir have a pilgrimage center. Pilgrimage center is Vaishnava Devi temple, Vishnu Devi temple, Amarnath caves, Shankaracharya Mandir, Raghunath temple, are situated in this state. And farming there, terrace farming. Terrace farming means in a hill area, the foothill they cut down and made a plain land, and this land they cultivate there. This land is called terrace farming. And many orchard there, they grow apple, cherries, walnut, plum, etc. And we know the apple of Jammu Kashmir is the good food in India. And animals, they keep their yolk, goat, sheep, mole, etc. The Kashmiri shawl and carpet are often out of the sheep wool. We know sheep wool. A wool, they weave many types of cloth. There are shawl is one of them, and carpet is famous. The Pashmoni wool of Kashmir is world famous. In that place, the people of Kashmir, Kashmiri shawl, they wear Kashmiri shawl and long loose gown called firans. Women cover their head with a cloth, and they have a silvery jeweler. This is the cloth wear of Jammu Kashmir people. They speak Kashmiri, Urdu, Durgi in winter. They eat, the people of Jammu Kashmir, the food is rice, rajma, meat, and release a special tea called khua. The people themselves warm with khagri, small earthen pot with burning coal in a Ladakh region. A language spoken is Ladakhi. In Ladakh region, most of the people, they tell Ladakhi language. Most of the Ladakhis follow the Buddhism, which is the religion who follow the Buddhism, and Buddhist festivals celebrate here. And the other place, Buddhism follow this festival by the Ladakh peoples, and the other rest of Kashmir, they celebrate Eid and Diwali. These festivals celebrate there. And Fumania is a folk dance in this region. I have discussed the state of Jammu Kashmir. All I have discussed, and you should learn at home. Repeat 1 and 2 and 3 times, read at home, and you know better. Do not mistake it today. You learn at home. Stay good. Namaskar.